Can we check Gmail password on mobile? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if we can check Gmail password on mobile. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So if you want to check your Gmail password on your mobile, you can first open up your Gmail. Make sure you're logged in into the account. Now, what we'll do here is we'll tap on the top right corner on our profile icon. Then tap on Manage your Google account. This should take us to our Google account settings where there we can check out our security and our privacy stuff. So from here, you can simply start exploring to find out our Gmail password. So you can head over to profile info if you'd like. There is nothing there basically. So you can go to data and privacy, but from there you also won't be able to find your password. If you head over to security, under security, you should see your different passkeys, passwords, and different stuff. So there you can see the password option. If you tap on password, it will take you to this section. Now, for this also, you will need to enter out your password. So even after you enter out your password, you will not be able to see the password that you currently have. But what you can do instead of that is you can simply reset it. But there is no way you can check password of your Gmail on your mobile or even on your laptop. It's just not possible due to security reasons. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.